Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to forward email on Android phone so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure to sign in with your correct Google account that you want to use for sending your emails. Step 2. Next, give the app a moment to load and swipe down to refresh the inbox. You'll see all your received emails listed here. Now scroll through the inbox and tap on the email that you want to forward. Step 3. Once the email is open, look just under the sender's name or profile section. There, you'll find a small three-dot icon which represents more options. Go ahead and tap on that. This icon is important because it reveals additional actions you can take with that email. Step 4. After tapping, a menu will pop up on your screen. Scroll through this list until you find the option that says Forward, then tap on it. This is the key feature we're using in this video, so make sure you tap the right option. Step 5. Now, a new screen will appear with the original message already quoted. At the top, you'll see a space where you can enter an email address. Type in the recipient's email, whether it's just one person or multiple, that's totally up to you. Step 6. If you'd like to add any personal message along with the forwarded email, just scroll down and type it in. This part is optional, but it's helpful if you want to give context or say something extra. Once everything looks good, hit that little paper plane icon, also known as the send button at the end, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.